I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV, and this is another exciting episode, guys. So in today's video we will be making some crunchy chin chin. So guys, get your juice, your drink, whatever ready, and let's dive into it. Okay guys, so this is our ingredient for our chin chin. Yes, it's really simple and quick to find everywhere. Okay, so thank you to all my subscribers, my viewers, and everybody watching. Thank you. Okay guys, so our crunchy and yummylicious chin chin is ready. As you can see, it looking yummy and crunchy. Like, oh my god guys, you want to try it at home, okay guys? So I want to say thank you to everybody, all my subscribers, my viewers, returnees, everybody who is watching me. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please click on the notification bell for more videos. Okay, so guys, when you are done, you want to pour it on a flat surface so that air can pass through, like for it to cool down before you bag it. And when you're bagging, you want to bag into an airtight container or a Ziploc bag or anything convenient so that it is always fresh and crunchy all the time. And if you are frying, you want to put your stove or whatever on a medium heat so that it don't get burned. Okay, all right guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I will see you next time. Bye, be safe, peace out.